Welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Joy. Today I'm teaching you today how to make hair bonnet without elastic. You don't need elastic. What you need is just band, and it's a loving hair bonnet. You will love it so much. Now we are starting. I've already cut out this triangle shape. We're going to take it in this way. We're going to measure 10 inches. 10 inches. We're going to measure 10 inches. 10 inches round. 10 inches round. Make sure it's 10 inches. Although you can make it 12, but 10, I advise you take it 10. 10 is okay, though depends how you want it. And this is 10, and I've already cut out the triangle shape. After that, you cut the triangle shape, and you're going to use lining for it. You're going to use lining. You fold the lining into triangle shape, the same way you fold the Ankara. That is the same way you fold the lining. You fold the lining. You place your Ankara on top the lining and cut it the same way. I think you see what I'm doing. Cut triangle shape. Measure 10, 10. Measure 10 inches round. 10 inches round, and use it to cut the lining. So after that, you open it. You open it like this. Open it. I've already taken this shape away out from it. I will explain to you the way you understand it. You're going to understand it very well. Although I will send the cutting again, the beginning of the cutting, you will see it. I just want to make one full video on this particular tutorial. So you fold it together. You measure. You make a straight line, straight like this. Let's say it's like this. Make a straight line 4. This is a 4 can't. Let's say it's like this. You may take 4 inches like this. This 4. This 4. What I remove here is the same 4 here, just like here. Just make straight line 4 like this. At this side, you take 2 inches. Take this. And this side, take 2 inches. You can make it straight like this, or in my own I make it curve. You can just curve it, just like the way I curve this one. I made this one curve. After you might have finished, make sure that the right side is facing the right side of the right side is facing the right side of the fabric. After that, you sew it round. You sew it round. You sew it round. You notch it so it will balance. It will balance well. So we are using band for it. How are you going to use this band? You're going to measure your band. You're going to measure band. You're going to measure 45. 45. You're going to measure 45. You're going to measure 45. This is 45. Yes. You're going to measure 45 by 5. Why are we using 5? It's because we are going to fold it together. We're going to fold it together like this, and when you fold it, it will give you 2.5. Remember, we are sewing half inches. So after sewing the half inches, it will remain 2 inches. That is what we are going to use. In this 45 you're going to cut this 45 in 2 places, and this is the first 45. And this is the second one. You're going to cut 45 plus 45 is 90. So we're cutting 90 all together. So when you cut the 45 and 45, you join it together. And you're going to join it together. You're going to join it together. Yeah? And when you open it, it will give you 90 length, 90 inches. That is what it will give you. So when we are sewing it, let's do that one. You're going to measure. So you're going to fold this way. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. It's a lovely hair bonnet. I love this hair bonnet so much. I'm going to measure. You're going to measure from this side. You're going to measure 2 down. You're going to measure 2 down here. You make a straight line. Make a straight line. Take it in this, use the same way, the same side, the other side. So you can, if you, it depends how you want the shape to be. You can make it 2, 3, 4. Depends how you want it to be. But I advise you take 2. I normally take 2. 2, that is what I normally take. 2 is okay. After that, you make a straight line of it. There are people, there are some you just curve it. Depends how you want the curve to be. But but in this tutorial, I'm taking just straight. After that, you cut it. So you're going to sew it like this. When you are sewing it, you're going to do it like this way. Sew it. The same way, sew it. Remember, this is where we are joining together. This is where we are joining together for the band. This is where we are joining together. Straight line. We are joining together. So you're going to do this hair bonnet. You're going to make it. So when you are sewing, this is only place you're going to sew. You're not sewing it round. You're not sewing it round for now. It's pretty. You're going to pleat it. You're going to sew round. You're going to sew just from this curve with half an inch. Sew half an inch and notch it. Notch it so it will relax very well. You now turn it. Remember, this is the front. You now turn it to the front side to give you what you are looking for. So after that, let us see. Let me just show you before I go sew it in the machine. Just sew it like this. See what I'm showing. I love this hair bonnet so much. You can make it and start selling it. Not for your use alone. You start to sell it. Don't make things for yourself alone. Make it and sell. Advertise your business. Sell your products. Don't make it for yourself alone. Make it and sell it out there. And this kind of hair bonnet is not common out there. It's very good and different. I love it. Each time I make it, I know how it looks. I just want to show you how it will look. So you see what I'm doing? All my tutorials, in this class, you will enjoy the teaching. You will enjoy the lecture very well. You understand everything I'm going to teach you in this class. So when you are done, you turn it down, you turn it down, turn it down, notch it. You will notch it inside. You notch it inside before you turn it. After that, you turn it like this. After that, you see how it looks. Oh, the style is beautiful. I love this style so much. This hair bonnet without elastic. Hey! So after that, we go to the you go to the machine and sew this. By then you have joined this thing already. I've joined together. After joining it together, after joining the everything together, you fold this like this. You have joined it and you just fold it. You fold it together. You join it together. Join it together like this. You take your tape and measure round your head. Your round hair. Mine is 22. Mine is 22. You divide the 22 into 2 to give you 11 inches. You fold the band together like this. You fold the band together like this to know the center place. So this is the center of this one. This is the center of this one. This is the center. You have divided the round head into 2. It's 11. You measure 11 down here. 11. Come to this center side. You measure 11 also. You measure 11 also in this side. That is 11 plus 11 is 22. So don't start to sew. Don't sew from this round hair side. Don't sew from it. Don't sew from here to here. No, don't sew it. So before then, you use a hair stay and put for the band. You make a very nice iron. Iron is very good, so it will come out beautiful. After you sew, when you are going to sew, you're going to sew from here, from the head. I've not joined this one. You will sew from this side and stop from the place, from the 11, the round hairs where it stops. That is where you're going to stop. Don't sew from this side. This is where you will stop, and this place will remain open. So this is the place you're going to pleat this. This is the place you're going to pleat the triangle. Make sure you pleat it. You pleat it to the place, to the line. After that, you go to the other side. Start from this place again and pleat. Start from the side and pleat to the line again. After that, you are done with it. Stay tuned and watch the sewing.